No matter what mood you're in today, there is always a mood for Vecchio Florio. Vecchio Florio Marsala Superiore Secco, that's what the label reads. 2016 vintage. The wine is aged for 30 months on in these beautiful barrels in one of the most beautiful wineries I have ever been. Why is that? Because you have to imagine this phenomenal sand floor with these massive barrels, and these incredible wines are from there. This is a piece of history of not only winemaking, but also of human beings. Imagine Captain Woodhouse from England, traveling all the way like down in the Mediterranean Sea, being stranded because of a major storm in a little town called Marsala. Somebody says is the city of God. He gets into a osteria, he tries this wine, this Perpetuum wine, which is a sort of a sherry-like, and he falls in love. That's 1773. In 1833, the Florios make Marsala like John Woodhouse started off. What is the difference between, what is special about Marsala and about Vecchio Florio? Is the fact that this is a wine made with Grillo and Catarratto variety. So once the fermentation is over, you have a white wine. What you're gonna do is you're gonna add some mistela. Mistela is a grape juice with some distilled wine in it. So it's like a super sweet concentration. Then you have some mosto cotto, cooked must. And on top of it, you have actually distilled wine. So the result is that you're gonna get a wine that is 18 degrees in alcohol, but with a little bit of residual sugar and oxidative notes. The reason why I said at the beginning, this is a perfect wine for every moment, is because when you're feeling sad, this wine is gonna get you into that beautiful blues mode. When you're feeling happy, this wine is perfect right now as an aperitivo. You can actually, don't tell too many people, you can serve it on the rocks. And that's gonna be a perfect aperitivo with some dry almonds or toasted almonds or maybe some smoked fish, cheese, or by itself. That's exactly how it started off. Figs, dry figs, this iodine, sea breeze, and in a moment, in a split second, right now you're traveling, just like Captain Woodhouse in 1773. Going back, I imagine this guy going back all the way back to London, bringing this incredible wine. That is the reason why he added some distilled wine, making sure that the wine was gonna travel the world and the seven seas. Cheers, everybody. Have you watched our next video yet? Well, if you haven't done it, go for it right now. And for more tips, tricks, and of course, love, you gotta follow our channels and subscribe our social media. It's the opposite. Follow our social media and subscribe our channel.